Hey guys, look, this is GRP77 from JGM Games. In the last tutorial, we modeled the blade of the sword, and in part B of the modeling tutorial series, we are going to be modeling the handle, so stick around. If you're looking for a high-quality gaming mouse or just a mouse for the workplace, then look no further than SteelSeries. They offer the highest quality mice for the lowest prices, and even can compete with Razer and Logitech given their low prices. If you'd like to go see these mice, use the link in the description to go check them out. Without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. Alright, so in the last tutorial we modeled the sword blade. Now in this one we're going to be doing the handle. That's this thing right up here. So basically it's fairly similar steps, but we're going to be doing it with a different object, and that's why I wanted to do this. So we're also going to be doing a slight bit of detail right up here, just to get the basic shape of this, I don't know, this hilt, or this handle decoration, but we're not going to be doing anything more than that. So first of all, we know that this is a handle of the sword. It's not going to be square, so we're going to use a cylinder. So I'm going to hit Shift-A, Mesh, Cylinder. And like last time, I'm going to move this up to where it kind of fits, just so that it's easier to model. And I'll also make sure I get these angles right. When I'm in orthographic view, I don't have to worry about rotation axis because it automatically does the axis based on where you're looking in orthographic view. It does the same in, I just forgot it. It does the same in perspective view, but the only difference is that you're not looking at a flat angle all the time. So I'm going to hit Z, I'm going to hit B, and select the string of vertices right here. You can also hit Alt and select, Alt and select the vertices, and that would also be a solution. So now I'm going to extrude that again. It's starting to kind of close in, and I realized that my angle wasn't right, so I'm going to rotate this slightly, and I'm going to extrude again. Now we can see that it's really starting to get skinnier right up here. And so we're just going to keep extruding, and then we'll do this in a minute. Alright, the reason I did that is because it's a bit weirdly shaped. The handle is on a flat, that angle is the same, but the problem is that it kept, this side stays flat, but this side actually gets more narrow. So we're going to do this basic decoration real quick. Whoops. Extrude this out. Almost done. If you wanted to have more control over a UV sphere, you could do this, but I highly recommend not doing this. I'm just doing this because it works. And that handle works. The only thing I think I would change is the only thing I think I would change is, this is so weird. I hate how it does this. Screw it. So now I think I'm gonna keep this ring. Whoops, I just hit my Windows button. I think I'm gonna scale this one down. I think I'm going to scale this one down. And I think I'm going to leave it like that. We don't want to follow this exactly, so we're just going to follow it like this. Alright, that looks good. I think we're going to have a good amount of vertices right there. And that's all we're going to be doing in this tutorial. I know this one was really short, but that's basically a different style, and it's got a ton more detail than the blade did. I mean, the blade is just one giant cube, but this actually has a ton of vertices on it. So our total vertice count right now is 680, and I guarantee you it's going to be more than that. So yeah, that's basically all there is to it. That's the handle. Looking at it, it doesn't look like we're going to need to do anything special, but I am definitely going to move this on the y-axis and go to 3 because I like lining my objects up. Alright, and that's all there is to modeling it. This next part is going to be a bit more tricky. This hilt, we're going to have to play around with because we're going to have to look at some of the lighting to look at the edge and kind of get that shape that we want to. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, go check out the one before this and also the original game asset creation tutorial series. There will be a link in the description as well as an annotation or a card up on the screen linking you to the game asset creation original series. Thanks for watching, guys.
Everything changes.